Welcome to the post-game interview, and we have here from the winning team of Nueva Ecija Capitals, we have Coach Don Dulay and of course our best player, JP Maguliano. Coach, I have to begin with you. Amid the changes that happened to the team and all the adversities, and how sweet it is cracking the PSL finals.
Well, it's so surreal right now. We didn't expect this, you know. I got to give it up, one to the management, the Cuevas family, Boss Bong, Boss Ivan, because they showed 100% support ever since the move happened, right? And it was my job to get the guys going. So, again, the players stepped up. You know, I give all the credit to them. And, you know, it feels good that we can come out and beat San Juan.
Okay, right. JP, malaki-laking sapatos yung pinunan mo, no? First, na nawala si Michael Mabulak. And then, of course, nawala rin kanina si Will Macaloni. Paano mo iniready yung sarili mo?
Talagang before the game naman, no? Talagang lahat sinasabihan kami ni Coach na ready palagi. So, kahit anong mangyari, tulad niya kanina, nawala si Kuya Will Sano. So, everybody kailangan mag-step up para maging maayos pa rin kahit na kulang-kulang pa rin.
Okay. Coach, does familiarity play the big role in beating San Juan? But other than that, what were the biggest takeaways in the series win?
We're familiar with each other. It definitely helped because, you know, we know each other's tendencies, right? And I expected this kind of game tonight. And now moving forward, you know, hopefully we can do the same thing against Quezon.
Okay. JP, ito ba yung first championship na lalaruan mo sa high-level basketball?
Yes, no? Ito nga yung pinakauna sa PSL.
Oh, so gaano ka tamis tong opportunity na magkakaroon ka na ganyan?
Sobrang saya, sarap sa feeling na makapasok ng championship. Pero may celebration mamaya, pero hindi pa tapos, no? May championship pa. Yun ang pinaka-the best pag makuha namin championship na yun against Quezon.
Okay. Coach, from being the extra voice on the sidelines and then taking over as head coach, and now back in the championship round. So, how would you describe this journey, Coach?
It's been a lot of ups and downs, not just for me, but for the players and the management, even my family. But I got to give thanks to God for always blessing me, putting me around good people, good management, good players. So yeah, I'm excited to be back in the finals.
JP against Quezon, no? Anong inaasahan natin doon sa series na yan? Maiksi ba? Mahabang series ba yan? So anong inaasahan natin?
Basta gagawin na lang namin lahat para mas mapaiksi, no? Pero alam naman natin na ang Quezon, di basta-basta yan. Gusto rin bumawi yan kasi nakaisa na kami sa kanila. So,
Okay.
pero hanggat maaari, gusto namin iksian, no? Para mas mapabilis na nila.
Okay. Coach, it's a battle between North versus South here. So, you're going to expect a war against Quezon?
Oh yeah, I expect the war. They got a young core there, in Sandagon and Gonzalez, you know, and they have a good and experienced coaching staff. And you know, we got to come ready. Yeah, we're happy that we won, but we can't celebrate. It's not over yet.
Okay. So that wraps up our post-game interview. Congratulations to you,
Thank you.
Coach Don Dulay and JP Maguliano. Congratulations and good luck to you guys.